For the accounting profession in particular, questions about talent development, occupational choice, and long-term career progression have assumed growing importance as we consider how future accountants enter and develop their careers.
Today, I'm going to share with you one of my recent research on how the interplay between gene and educational environments can shape one's accounting career choice.